Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. I'm really excited to share the rest of this video with you guys. I believe there's one more part after this, but let's get on to the video.
Right up. Is that a window? Probably.
That's over there.
That's huge. No, that's
Oh, nice closet.
that was a huge closet.
Okay, we make some money. Yeah, I only live in renting that house, maybe by the rooms because it's close to the university. Maybe.
Yeah.
So,
Looks like a dorm setup. Art students.
yeah. The light was on here. Or do this one, or do the camera.
I didn't know. Did you press?
It was on.
Yeah.
Everything was on. So let's keep it that way.
Wow.
Oh, wow. That's a beautiful shower.
Yeah. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Other than this. Oh, wow. Wow, those are.
Beautiful. Huh? Yes. See that floor?
This is so cool. I love this house. Oh, this is a giant. Is this a furnace or a AC unit? Something. Oh, those two. So,
Okay. Perfect.
floor is a little not flat. Oh, wow. Wow. This is so cool. Feels good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not scared to go out on. That's always good. It's a very interesting concept. Yeah, I like it a lot. Glad all of the lights work.
I'm very confused as to what they sprinkle was.
I don't know. We could use a good washing though. Get rid of these rugs. Wash and paint. The hinge detail. This house is super. Just spray paint. Oh,
Where is that?
I have no idea. Someone decided to throw it there. I don't think it's necessary at all. Man, this place is huge.
This has a little fridge.
Wow. It's like the one they painted the cat. This is my new favorite.
Yeah, definitely.
Like easily.
There's more steps up here, aren't there?
Yeah, we're not even like close to being done.
It's huge. There's a fridge in here.
That light was off.
I love that chandelier here.
Yeah.
Everything gets so unique, so nice.
Did you want to get that light? It was,
Or maybe we can see the attic.
Oh,
because
yeah.
I think they are the stairs to the attic. Yes. I'm like attics. There's a light there. There you go.
that is on, even though it's down. Could fit like 5 families in here. That is so cool. It's really not even that much work. Just needs to be cleaned, painted. Interesting. I like this like exterior door. And yuck. So that's awesome. Yeah. Could fit like my whole extended family. There's a. I don't think I've ever seen an electrical panel in the attic. That's cool.
What about this? This is really something. It is really cool.
Yeah.
There's more space down there too.
Not that you need it, but
Oh yeah, wow, that goes pretty far in. Love the doors. They're so weird. That is so cute. I think that's just like individual.
It feels sturdy.
Yeah.
It's just these little things coming up. It feels great.
Yeah.
So cute.
I feel like it needs a new roof and a lot of cleaning, but
Yeah. And painting.
and painting. Yeah.
maybe for here and there. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it seems sturdy enough for the moment.
Interested to see the condition of the pool, because that'll be a big cost if it's not doing good.
So that is the end, guys. Long story short, we fell in love with the house and ended up buying it. Stay tuned for part 3.